Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make an unboxing video. I ordered this yarn yesterday and it arrives today. So let's do an unboxing. This is the very first time I ordered this online. This kind of yarn. I ordered it in Amazon. Oh wow, it's so big. I never expect this big. That's cool. It's really big. Let's see it from the side. Because of the light is better. So much. I didn't expect for this to be big like this. Let's see the texture and everything. This is good for gardening, but I'm going to make a bag for this yarn. I made so much project for this yarn in my previous projects, but I never had uploaded it or make a tutorial. This is really nice. Good for gardening, for gifts, and also for bags. I want to make this as a market bag. Maybe you will see one of my video using this yarn. It's really nice. It's big. I did not expect it, and this costs. So what do you think about this yarn? For me, this is very eco-friendly. So in each of this ball is 80 meter. So all in all, we have here 640 meter for all of this in total. It's really so much. You could make one bag for one of this. I would love to make. So let's take it out. Ordering in Prime is just the best because you order today and then the next day it's already there. So always choose Prime, especially if you are in a hurry to order and to finish a project. It's 2 mm. So let's read the information here. Relax Days Natural Twine set of 8 times 80 meter, which is equal to 640 meter in total. Jute twine craft, garden decorative cord, string yarn, roll stranded. I really love this kind of yarn, and to make a bag out of this is perfect for me. I think you could use normally I use 5mm hook for this project, for this yarn, because it's a bit thicker, so it's perfect. So I would love to make a bag out of this yarn. It looks so natural and undistorted appearance. You can use it as a ribbon gift to decorate, adorn, or pack. It's really perfect for gardening also. But I use this as a crochet.